In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice for your Microsoft Copilot. Whether you're looking for a different tone or a specific accent, changing the voice of your virtual assistant can be accomplished easily following a few simple steps. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, head over to Google. At this step, you might wonder why we're starting from Google, but it's simply a handy starting point for most tasks online, and most people are familiar with it. Once you've reached google.com, type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar and hit enter. This will lead you to a list of search results where you're likely to find the official site listed near the top. The next logical step is to click on the link to the official Microsoft Copilot website. By doing this, you are now well on your way to changing the voice settings. Once you're on the Copilot website, you'll notice various features and options are laid out in front of you. What you want to focus on right now is the small microphone icon typically located in a prominent or noticeable place on the screen. Go ahead and click it. This will direct you to more detailed voice options for your assistant. Now that you've found the voice settings page, the next task is to look for the voice settings option. Generally, this is easily found due to clear labels or icons meant to guide you. Give that a click as well. This brings you to the specific area where all the magic happens, adjusting the voice of your Copilot. On this screen, you should see a variety of voice choices available for your selection. Here, you have the freedom to choose a voice that fits your preferences, whether you're looking for a different accent, tone, or anything else. This is the great part about customizing your digital assistant. It can speak to you exactly the way you like. With your preferred voice selected, make sure to confirm or save your choice. Many settings menus default to saving changes you make as you make them, but it's always a good idea to double-check to ensure your selections are applied. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the voice of your Microsoft Copilot. Having a voice that you find pleasant or effective can enhance your interaction with the digital assistant, making it a more enjoyable tool in your day-to-day activities or work routine. Don't hesitate to try out different voices until you find the one that feels perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and share.